Tonix coin is a digital currency that is revolutionizing the way we think about money and transactions. It operates on a secure and transparent network called a blockchain, which is essentially a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This blockchain technology ensures secure and verifiable transactions, making it nearly impossible for fraud or double spending to occur. Each transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, creating a chain of data that is both secure and transparent. Tonix coin offers fast transaction speeds and low fees, which means you can send and receive money quickly, and without the high costs associated with traditional banking systems. This makes it an attractive option for everyday use, whether you're buying a cup of coffee, shopping online, or sending money to a friend or family member. Many believe Tonix coin has the potential for significant growth, as more people and businesses begin to adopt digital currency. Investors are keeping a close eye on Tonix coin, analyzing market trends and potential returns. Tonix coin is more than just a digital currency. It's a transformative technology that has the potential to change the way we interact with money and financial systems. It can be integrated into various technologies, making it a versatile tool for the future. Tonix coin empowers individuals with financial control, giving them the ability to manage their finances directly from their smartphones. With the Tonix coin app, users can check their balances, make transactions, and even invest in the currency. It facilitates seamless peer-to-peer transactions, allowing people to send and receive money without the need for a middleman. This not only speeds up the process, but also reduces costs. As the world embraces digital currencies, Tonix coin is well positioned to play a pivotal role. Its secure, fast, and low-cost transactions make it an ideal choice for global adoption. Whether you're a consumer, a business, or an investor, Tonix coin offers a range of benefits that make it a compelling option in the digital age. To buy Tonix coin, you need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. There are many different exchanges available. Each exchange has its own fees, features, and security measures. Some popular cryptocurrency exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. It's important to do your research and choose a reputable exchange. Consider factors like security, fees, and the cryptocurrencies they offer. Once you've selected an exchange, you can move on to the next step. Creating an account on a cryptocurrency exchange is straightforward. Visit the exchange's website and look for a sign up or create account button. You'll need to provide some personal information such as your name, email address, and country of residence. Most exchanges require you to verify your identity. This is to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. Verification usually involves uploading a photo ID and a selfie. Once your account is verified, you're ready to fund it. To buy Tonix coin, you need to fund your exchange account with fiat currency, like US dollars or euros. Most exchanges offer multiple funding options. These include bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and even other cryptocurrencies. The funding process may vary depending on the exchange and your chosen method. Once your account is funded, you can proceed to buy Tonix coin. Section 5. Buying Tonix coin. Buying Tonix coin is similar to buying stocks or other assets on an exchange. Navigate to the Tonix coin trading pair on your chosen exchange. This is usually represented as Tonix USD, Tonix BTC, or something similar. You'll see an order book with buy and sell orders. Place a buy order for the desired amount of Tonix coin. Once your order is filled, you'll own Tonix coin. Section 6. Securely storing your Tonix. In this section, we will explore the best practices for ensuring the safety and security of your Tonix coin investments. Once you own Tonix coin, it's crucial to store it securely. Proper storage is essential to protect your investment from potential threats and unauthorized access. You can store your Tonix coin on the exchange, but this is not recommended. While exchanges offer convenience, they also come with significant risks. Exchanges are vulnerable to hacks and security breaches. High-profile incidents have shown that even the most reputable exchanges can be compromised, leading to substantial financial losses for users. A safer option is to use a cryptocurrency wallet. These wallets provide a more secure environment for your digital assets, reducing the risk of theft. Wallets are digital storage devices that hold your private keys. These keys are crucial for accessing and managing your Tonix coin. These keys give you access to your Tonix coin. Without them, you cannot authorize transactions or recover your funds if lost. There are different types of wallets, each with its own security features. Hardware wallets, for example, are physical devices that store your keys offline, making them immune to online attacks. Choose a wallet that suits your needs and security preferences. Research and read reviews to find a wallet that offers the best balance of security and usability for your specific requirements. Remember, the safety of your Tonix coin is in your hands, so take the time to make an informed decision. Section 7. Selling your Tonix coin. Selling Tonix coin is just as easy as buying it. Go back to your chosen exchange and navigate to the Tonix coin trading pair. Place a sell order for the amount of Tonix coin you want to sell. Once your order is filled, you'll receive the corresponding amount in your preferred currency. You can then withdraw this currency to your bank account or use it to buy other cryptocurrencies. Section 8. Understanding Tonix coin. Price trends. Like all cryptocurrencies, Tonix coin's price is influenced by supply and demand. When demand for Tonix coin is high, its price tends to rise. Conversely, when demand is low, the price may fall. Several factors can affect the demand for Tonix coin. These include market sentiment, news events, technological advancements, and regulatory changes. It's essential to stay informed about these factors to make informed trading decisions. Section 9. Tonix coin price predictions. Predicting the future price of any asset, including cryptocurrencies, is challenging. However, by analyzing market trends and considering expert opinions, we can make some educated guesses. Some analysts believe that Tonix coin has the potential to reach new all-time highs in the coming months. They cite the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies, the increasing demand for secure and transparent digital transactions, and Tonix coin's unique features as reasons for their optimism. Section 10. Tips for trading Tonix coin. Trading cryptocurrencies can be risky, so it's crucial to approach it with caution. The market is highly volatile and prices can change rapidly, sometimes within minutes. This unpredictability can lead to significant gains but also substantial losses. Here are some tips for beginners. Start small. When you're just starting out, it's wise to invest only a small portion of your capital. This way, you can learn the ropes without risking too much of your hard-earned money. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market is not a guaranteed way to make money, and you should be prepared for the possibility of losing your entire investment. Do your research. Understand the risks and potential rewards of trading Tonix coin. Use stop-loss orders. These are essential tools that can help you manage your risk by automatically selling your assets when they reach a certain price, thus limiting your potential losses. This will help limit your potential losses. Don't panic sell. It's easy to get caught up in the emotions of trading, especially when prices are falling rapidly. However, making decisions based on fear can often lead to greater losses. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term price fluctuations. Instead, focus on your long-term strategy and stick to it. Stay informed. Keep up to date on news and developments in the cryptocurrency market. This includes following reputable news sources, joining online communities, and staying informed about regulatory changes that could impact the market. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success in the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Remember, patience and discipline are key. Happy trading. Section 11. Conclusion: embracing the future of digital assets. Tonix coin represents the future of finance. It's a secure, transparent, and efficient way to transact value. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can join the growing community of Tonix coin users and investors. Remember to trade responsibly, stay informed, and embrace the transformative power of digital assets.